Hello and welcome to my channel TFF Teacher from Finland. My name is Jouni Vilkka and I usually make videos about academic stuff like philosophy or psychology on this channel, but now I'm taking a break from all of that and making some videos about tabletop role-playing games instead. In this video I'll be talking about my luck rule. So, player characters screwing up because of lousy rolls is often bad in tabletop role-playing games. Usually game masters have to or are expected to fudge some rolls to allow the story to go better, at least for the player characters, so that they survive and things like that. I always disliked doing that, so I came up with a luck mechanic that I also used, at least in Harn Master. I would also like to hear other people's thoughts about it, so if you have any comments, do please comment below. So first of all, each player character starts with the same amount of luck points. I suggest starting with 10. Then at the beginning of each scenario, the game master awards all the player characters 1 point of luck. And when the campaign ends, the Game Master may award extra luck points. The Game Master may award extra luck points also for some other reasons, for example, splendid role-playing. Now, how exactly do these luck points work and how are they used? So the idea is that the players can actually try to use their luck even after rolling for some skill that they need to use in the game. First of all, they roll a die 20 when they try to use it. And if the roll is equal to their luck or less, the player character gets lucky, in a way decided by the game master. But usually this means, especially in Harn Master, receiving a higher success level in a skill check. For example, a failed surge test turns into a success, and a success turns into a critical success, and so on. Or a severe wound they would be receiving will instead be something less horrible. Also, after a successful luck test has been made, deduct 1 point of luck. Unless the roll of die 20 was a 1, a natural 1 as you may know it, in which case do not deduct a point. A roll of 1 is also always considered a successful luck test, even if the player character has run out of luck. If the roll was higher than the luck points of the player character, there are no repercussions, unless the roll is higher than the player character's luck plus 10. Or also if a natural 20 was rolled, in which case the player character has additional bad luck decided by the game master. So rolling over luck plus 10 or a natural 20 is always bad luck. Sometimes the game master may deem that the situation requires a successful luck test, even when the player has failed it. So the player rolls their luck but fails the roll. But because of the situation demands it, the game master decides that the player instead deducts 3 points of luck from the player character and the roll is considered a success anyway. Unless, of course, the player character's luck would go into negative points, in which case this cannot be done and they are out of luck. 0 luck is acceptable, mind you. Just not negative points. And finally, the game master may sometimes check a player's luck by rolling for luck in secret. This is just for normal luck tests for less than crucial situations. For example, to see if some ordinary random event happens or not. Like if a player character hides under an outhouse toilet seat, for example, and the game master wants to see if someone comes to use the toilet right then. So that could have some hilarious consequences. Anyway, I hope you got the idea of how to use this luck system. If you want to publish it in one of your own games, by all means do so, just give me the appropriate credits in your publication. That's all. Also, if you try this in your games, I'd like to know what you think about it. Does it work? Does it not work? Comment below. Next time I'll be talking about failure in general, but that's all for now. Bye! If you wish to support my channel, please click thumbs up, subscribe and share my videos. Any comments on the videos would also be welcome.